not be able to contain the zoomies when you dive into this month's collection. And yeah, stay wrapped up in the furry design with Mani by Me's Furever Friends collection.
The first plate is MXM 127.
Of course, everybody loves a cute wagging tail and a wrinkly little butt.
Absolutely.
So we have cute little boopable snout over here.
The next plate we're gonna discuss is MXM 128, all about the catitude. This perfect plate for feline fanatics is great for lounging in the sunbeams with a cat-inspired nail designs that add a touch of sass to your manicured claws. So moving on, we're gonna kick it off with B512, which is chunky.
Yes.
A marmalade orange stamping polish in a classic cream finish.
This orange color that you see here is inspired by a chunky orange cat. We're gonna switch over to the other colors.
So we are gonna introduce B513 tippy-taps. This is an ash brown stamping polish in that same classic cream finish. It's so cute. So basically it's that little tappy sound that doggies make when they're all excited. So for our Furever Friends collection, we have a acetone resistant silicone paw shaped polish palette that is functional as it is cute.
And so when you put it over silicone, it
doesn't
will
shift.
not move. I am like
And a really cool set.
This is pretty flippin' awesome.